Now pointer to a function. We know well that we can have pointer to any data type, any primitive data type. We can have a pointer of type class. Now can we have a pointer to a function also? Yes. See, already I have one function here. The name of a function is display, not returning anything, no parameters at all, and it is displaying hello. Now from the main function, if I have to call this function, I can simply say display. That's all. I can call this one. So hello will be displayed. This function is called and hello is displayed and the control return backs. We know this. Now instead of directly calling with the name, can I use a pointer to a function? Let us see. I will define a pointer to a function and will call it as fp. Then how it should be? Return type is void, write void. Any parameters? No parameters. So this is the method of declaring a pointer to a function, and when you declare a pointer to a function, it must be inside brackets, otherwise it will not be a pointer to a function. It must be enclosed in a bracket. Then next, this is a declaration of a pointer. Then fp assign display. Now this will be assigning a name of a function to this pointer. So the address of that function will be stored in this pointer. This is initialization. So it means this is a declaration of a pointer and this is initialization of a pointer. And now how to call this? So the same way, again star fp in brackets, then as there are no parameters, just empty. Now this is a function call. This is a function call. So declaration of a pointer, initialization and function call. For declaration, only in place of function name you have to write on the pointer. Everything should be same. When you declare a pointer to a function, everything should be same as the signature or the prototype of a function, except the function name you should have a pointer in bracket. Then initialization, directly function name. Then calling, give the function pointer name and give the brackets. If any parameters, pass them. So that's all. This is how pointer can be assigned to a function. I'll show you more on this. Let us see. Suppose I have a function called max which is taking two integers x and y, and this is returning x greater than y, return x, otherwise y. Then I have one more function that is name is min and which takes two arguments x and y, and it will return if x is less than y, it returns x, otherwise y. Now I have two functions. This is for finding maximum of two integers, that is for finding minimum of two integers. I will take the prototype int. Instead of max, I will say fp instead of max. Then two integers. So just take int. Don't take any parameter. Name. Don't give the argument name x and y. Just int. This is the declaration of a function. Now fp assign max. So this is assigned to max. Now call star fp by passing 10, 5. So which function will be called? Max is called. Max is called. Max function is called. So if I see the signature or the prototype of max and min are same. So is it possible that the next line, the next moment, I can say fp assign min? Yes, I can say like this also. Then if what happens if I say fp 10, 5, what will happen? Which function is called here? Here the max was called. Now the pointer is pointing to min function, so min function will be called. So here min is called. That's it. So if I remove this and show you, just look at the code. Simply look at the code. See this line and this line. Here max is a sign, here min is a sign. But what about these two lines? They are same. They are same. But here max function is called, here min function is called. Different functions are called because the pointer is pointing on different functions. So this is same name, different functions, different operations. So this is just like polymorphism. Yes. In function overriding, internally function pointers are used for achieving runtime polymorphism using function overriding. So this means that one function pointer can point on any function which is having same signature. Yes, a function pointer can point on all those functions which are having same signature. So let us write this code and check. So that's all about function pointers. Let us write on the code and check.